Today's the day na tatapusin na natin ang issue sa PC na to. Pumiyok pa. Kasi ngayon, dumating na ang Gigabyte A520i from DC Gaming. Let's go.
Man, this might be something lethal. Like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really see the flames. Feeling like it's borderline insane. Man, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Yeah, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Feel it coming. The pressure start thumping, ain't no running. It might cause a rave, all my people start jumping. You can feel the rush, it'll get your blood pumping. Okay, you better take a seat. Don't step inside. Yeah, this might be something lethal. Looking nice. Room service if I like, I order twice. Hibachi got the gravy on the rice. Rolling in Mexico like a paradise. Out here living with no cares in the world. Take a swim at the beach with my girl. Man, these views are stunting. In a private pool, I can hear the birds humming.
Doon na natapos yung aming video about building this 2 PC. Kumbaga, binuo lang namin yung isang PC kasi matagal na siyang it's long overdue na video. Tsaka, kumbaga, pinaprolong na lang namin yung build na to. And, yun lang. Make sure na nakafollow kayo, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Bye guys! Bago namin i-end yung video na to, ang mga ginawa lang namin sa first PC, which is yung main PC, pinalitan namin yung MOBO. Nilagay ko yung main SSD or main OS ko from main PC dito. And then, pinalitan namin ng fans. Balisan na lang yung fan, tinanggal ko RGB, pati yung Fantech na LED. Tapos, same na RAM, same PSU. Tapos, hindi ko nakinabit yung mga HDD ko. Isa na lang nilagay ko. And then sa likod, isa video makikita nyo na lang, ilagay ko rito yung Zotac mini ko na 1070. And then, ano pa ba? And tama pala na MOBO yung naging problema. So, nung pinalitan yung MOBO, naging okay na, nag-boot na siya. Hope, buti naman. And sa second PC naman, dito naman wala masyadong ginalaw. Pinalitan lang ng fans. Then dinlagay yung 1050 Ti na galing dito sa ITX. Papunta sa dito. So, ito na lang yung puti. Item pala. Tsaka yung fans. So, yun lang naman yung mga ginawa namin. And, as always, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo para sa mga future plans para sa aming YouTube channel. And, make sure na mag-like and i-comment nyo yung mga suggestions and recommendations nyo para sa channel to. Yun lang. Bye-bye.